Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick update on the ATS Chemical 505 fuel and oil system treatment cleaners. I did this on my car about 10,000 miles ago, and I've noticed that it improved the gas mileage and made it a little more responsive. So I thought it was a good idea, a good treatment. I first learned about it on the Scotty Kilmer channel. So I've noticed that it is hard to find. It's out of stock everywhere right now. I get a lot of questions from people asking me in the comments where they can buy it. So right now, apparently it's out of stock. When I see it come back into stock, I'll make sure to update you guys. Or if anyone knows where they can buy it, please leave it in the comments below. But overall, still very happy that I did this to my car. I think it was still well worth it. So if you had any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Go ahead and subscribe if you're finding this content useful, and I'll catch you all next time.